Good morning student. Today we are going to learn our SST's third lesson, water. Before we are going to start, I want to ask you some question, that is, what do you do when you feel thirsty? We feel thirsty, we drink water. What do you do, children, when you feel warm? You wash your face or take a bath. So children, water is very important for us. All living things on earth need water to stay alive. So water is very important for people, animal and plants to survive or to stay alive. So children, water is very important for our body also. Plants also need water to grow. Do you know, children, plants make their own food? How? By the process of photosynthesis, plants make their own food, but plants need water. From where they get water? Plants soak the water from the soil. Whatever the water is downside of the ground or underground water, plants soak the water from the roots of the plants. So children, plants also need water to grow. Do you know, children, most of our earth is covered by water. 70% of our earth is covered by water. Like this, our body is also made up of water. 70% of our body is made up of water. So water is very important for our body. We cannot live without water. Why, children? Why do we cannot live without water? Do you know? Because water need for our body, for our inside body process like digestion, flowing tears, flowing blood and removal of the heat of our body in the form of sweat. So water is very important for our internal process. Children, when you are cry, what happen? Your tears come out. Tears means what, children? Tears is a type of water. And when you cry, water come out or tear come out from our eyes, and it clears inside dirtiness of our. And children, in summer, when you are going to play outside on the ground and you play more there, and when you are coming at house, what will you do? Yes, exactly, you are going to the fridge and take out the bottle and drink water. Why, children? Because when you are coming from playing, you feel uneasy and tired, so that you drink water, and water gives you energy to your body, and it's also keep your body temperature cool, so that water is very important for our body. What is a digestive system? You want to eat something, or whole day you eat something, and you want to eat chocolate, you want to eat sweet dish. Nowadays your mama makes so many dishes at your house, and you eat your breakfast, you eat your dinner or lunch. Whatever you eat, it goes into your stomach. What is there, children? There is a system, its name is a intestine, and what it does, whatever you eat, it mix into a juice. Do you know the mixer, children? Yes. If your mama want to make a paste, she adds some, she take a vessel and she adds some fruits or water, and she make a juice into that mixture. Like this, exactly, intestine make this food, or intestine turn this food into the mixture or into the juice. So children, and so that while you are eating, you are drinking water. So your food easily can die. In this way, water helps to our body. So children, water is very important in our life. Without water, we cannot do anything. Water is very precious. So children, save water. Don't waste it. In our daily life, we use water in many ways, or we do many activities with the water. So we are going to see the uses of water. First, that is drinking. Children, when we feel thirsty, we drink water, or when we eat food, while eating food, we are drinking water. So, drinking is most important use of water that we are doing. Second, washing things. In our daily life, we do many activities like washing dirty clothes, washing the utensils in the kitchen, washing the floor, or so many. When your parents purchase fruits or vegetables from the market, what is the first work your mama do? She washed the vegetables and fruits from the water, because on that fruits and vegetables so many dirtiness and germs are there. So with the help of water, your mama washed the fruits and vegetables. Like this, we can do many more things. Whenever you go to the washroom, you use taking a bath. Children, when you wake up in the morning, what do? You wash your face, then you brush your teeth, and afterward you take a bath. So, this is a use of water, that you clean your body with the help of water. Number 4, cooking food. While we are cooking food, we use water. When your mama cook food, she wash the pulses and rice with the help of water. Afterwards she do the rice and curry. And when she are making a dough, she use the water and she make the dough and make the chapatis from this dough. So in many ways we use the water in cooking. For washing the vegetables and fruits, and to make a juice of the fruits, we use water. 5. Watering the plants. Children, we are use water to watering the plants. Plants need to grow water, so that we have to give them water. Children, we use water to watering the plants, because plants need water to grow. In this way, children, we use water in many things. So, we will see you in the next video.